Trump attorney says president's legal team not preparing for an impeachment battle. Despite 85 congressional Democrats who support an inquiry into a possible impeachment hearing against President, the man who describes himself as the train there, Sikulo said by Democrats were simply political. Although pro-impeachment Democrats face an uphill battle from party leadership, they are likely to get another chance to ratchet up support in the public arena when special counsel Robert Mueller appears for open hearings before two House committees next week. Sikulo told ABC News that his team is not concerned about In May, during his only public comments following his investigation, Mueller said his report was his final testimony and that he would not share information beyond what was written in the report during his public testimony. But even though impeachment is not Sikulo's main focus, his team is working to defend the president from several inquiries currently playing out in court. Most recently, the House Ways and Means Committee to gain access to Trump's tax returns. The committee subpoenaed The president's tax returns are also still under audit, according to Sikulo. The president has said the main reason he has not released his tax returns is because of this ongoing audit. The IRS has outside of the Mueller probe and battle for the president's tax returns, Sikulo said his role has expanded to managing other cases involving the president and his family, including cases from the Washington, D.C. District Court. Trump's legal team has been in frequent flux since the start of his presidency, but Sikulo has remained a constant figure. He attributes his staying power to his years spent playing drums.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.